How to change BrosTrend WiFi range extender Wi-Fi settings. 1. Connect to the extender's network. Use a device, phone, laptop, to connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network, SSID. 2. Open the web browser. Launch any browser and type http://re.brostrend.com or the extender's default IP, e.g., 192.168.0.1. 3. Log into the admin panel. Enter the default username and password, usually admin, or your custom login credentials. 4. Navigate to Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wireless or Wi-Fi settings menu option. Five. Modify SSID or password. Change the network name, SSID, or password as desired. Explanation: updates the Wi-Fi credentials for better customization or security. 6. Set security mode. Choose a security protocol like WPA2 for better protection. 7. Save changes. Click the Save or Apply button to confirm the settings. 8. Reconnect devices. Reconnect your devices to the updated Wi-Fi network.